Kaseng Jaintia National Council JNC kawai ni kiseng kapapait ya gabha kamiat ha ka imlang salang kalalait ai da ka memorandum sha UMP jong ka Lok Sabha u Dr. Ricky Eja Sengkon halor atli kimat jingdawa kaseng kum shibenta ha ka jingyai inti jong ka save Jaintia. Kini ki atli kimat ki long ka jingti daw yong pat ka jingya khajia po ha ki khapo jong ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam. Ha ka jingi day bat ka jingti daw yong kat kum ka juk thamai ka balawanra da ka sarkar jalla da ka bapandangkam da ka mining policy pan yoti daw yong tang kitu ki bodon ki jaka da ki hektar pat ka ne ka lawanra shibon ki jing e kham tam ya kitu ki ba im jak po da ka ne ka kam. Suwa ba ka NGT kan khang ki daw yong ki ba bon ki briu ki dang yo ban ki light lo yaw daw yong jong ki ka seng ka lai tho habaya keren badu MP uba Ricky Eja Sengkon ula ong ba ka ne kam shong tang ha ka bor jong u kum MP henrei ka deiro ka kamram jong ka sarkar jalla ban yakren halor ka ne kamat shosho ka Jaintia National Council ka lapan ram ta ka ba ong bangila wan yakendo yo chief minister but yo secretary jong ka mining geology jong ka coal India ha ka bai day but ka SOP jong ka jingti daw yong but kilapan tikina shuwa tang daga ktin klem kino ki jingtho ki ba ai bor ban penduna ya ka jing hektar jong ki jaka ti daw yong ka seng kala dawa ban le ai halor ka ne nang ba gitu ki baduna jing hektar jong ki jaka ti daw yong kin yo bentalang ban apply license ban yo ti daw yong pat sakawai pat kamat badon kam baga seng kalawanra hakmat UMP kalong ka jingya khajia pot ha ki khapot jong ka jalla Meghalaya khamtam ha ki thain block 1 bat block 2 ka seng kala dawaro wadai ban panphai shisendon ya kishnong panar ki badon ha khapot shaga jalla Meghalaya.
Today we from the Jaintia National Council we have met with our member of the Parliament Lok Sabha Dr. Ricky Eja Sengkon. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Save Jaintia mission. And in the Save Jaintia mission we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submit a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the Jaintia National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining, because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back, before the NGT banned the coal mining, in Jaintia Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we didn't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Save Jaintia mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the Jaintia Hills. And we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India so that all the Panar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to Jaintia Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of Jaintia, all these places belong to the Jaintia kingdom, especially the Ri Khat Ardaloi. And one of the Ilika of the Khat Ardaloi is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the Jaintia kingdom and will transfer this land back to the Jaintia Hills.